Meaning of glandular.
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 Glandular. The term glandular refers to something related to glands, which are organs that secrete substances such as hormones and enzymes. Glandular tissues can be found throughout the body, including in the endocrine system, digestive system, and respiratory system. When something is described as glandular, it typically indicates that it pertains to the structure or function of these secretory organs. For example, a glandular fever is an infectious disease caused by the Epstein-Barr virus that affects the lymphatic system and causes flu-like symptoms. In summary, glandular refers to anything related to glands and their secretions.